Now today let's start with chapter number 17. The British rule and the revolt of 1857. Okay? Now, since time immemorial, India was famous for its goods such as cotton, silk, indigo, handicraft, and spice. Many foreign traders they used to come to India for buying Indian goods. Many European traders also started coming to India. बहुत सारे यूरोपियन ट्रेडर्स थे वो भी इंडिया आने लगे. And in 15th century, the 15th century थी, they came to India like arrival of Europeans. सबसे पहले पोर्टुगीज आते हैं, ठीक है, वो ट्रेड करते हैं यहाँ पे और से क्या करते हैं बहुत सारे ट्रेडिंग पोस्ट को बना ले. Now, Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, was the first European to reach India. In 1498, he discovered a new sea route to India via Cape of Good Hope. By this route, the Portuguese they become the first European who came to India. They come to Calicut and started trading with India. ये Calicut पे आते हैं, ठीक है, और वो उनके साथ ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. They build their center at Cochin, Kannauр and Calicut. Portuguese dealt in sweet spices, silk and gold. Now, gradually, other European traders such as Dutch, French and British they came to India. And what they did, they started trading centers. By the last quarter of 18th century, English has outdone all other establishments and dominant power in India. British administration India for about 200 years ago and brought about revolutionary changes in social, economic and political life of the people of the country. Then we have Battle of Plassey. It took place between British East India Company and Nawab Sirajuddaula. और उनके जो फ्रेंच अलाइज थे on 23rd June 1757. और कहाँ हुआ था? प्लासी में हुआ था. What happened at this time? The Bengal was supposed to be the richest state in the country. The Nawab of Bengal, they fought bravely and lost the battle. As a consequence, the entire power came under the control of Britain. After the Battle of Plassey, the main aim of the British East India Company was extension of political authority. The system of subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse were two major tactical politics of India. The policy of subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Richard Wellesley to bring Indian state within the boundary of British political power. Under this system, Indian rulers under British protection substantive their native army and instead start maintaining British troops within their state. What they did, they surrender control of their foreign affairs of the British and he returned the East India Company promised them to protect them from attacks of their enemy. ठीक है, जो इन्होंने क्या कहा, इन्होंने कहा था कि हम आपको क्या करेंगे, प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, कोई अटैक करेगा आप पे तो हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, लेकिन उसने वो चीज वापस ली. द पॉलिसी ऑफ doctrine of lapse was another tactical policy of British which was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, जो गवर्नर जनरल थे इंडिया के between 1848 to 1856. According to this policy, if a ruler of a state died without a natural heir, the state would be annexed to the British. अगर कोई natural heir नहीं रहा तो ब्रिटिश को कौन अनेक्स कर लेगा, मतलब टेरिटरी को कौन अनेक्स कर लेगा, स्टेट को कौन अनेक्स कर लेगा, ब्रिटिश. With the help of such policy, British annexed Jhansi and Nagpur. Other princely states like Awadh also fell from the hands of Wazir Ali Shah. Then next, the revolt of 1857, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, First War of India. It was a sepoy mutiny which was against the British officer. इसमें क्या हुआ था कि इंडियन सोल्जर्स को एयर ट्रीट करा गया था ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स के थ्रू. एंड द मेन कॉज ऑफ द रिवोल्ट वाज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ गीज्ड कार्टलेज. मतलब राइफल थी, इन्फेंट राइफल थी जो काव और पिग के मीट से बनी थी, उनको माउथ से ढके थे, उनके रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स का देश. इस वजह से क्या हुआ था, ये जो आपका रिवोल्ट था 1857 का वो स्टार्ट हुआ. नाउ मंगल पांडे revolt against the use of these cartridges. He attacked the superior British officer at Barakpur near Kolkata and he was hanged. उनको फांसी की सजा दी गई थी March 29, 1857 में, and he created a discontent among Indian soldiers. And on 24th April 1857, some of the Indian soldiers refused to use the rifle. उन्होंने refuse करा कि हम इस राइफल को यूज नहीं करेंगे. On 9 May, they were dismissed and sentenced of 10 year imprisonment. ठीक है. The journal Dignity start with Merit Cantonment say 10 May and they get imprisoned soldier released by the force. And what they did, they killed the British officers. The soldiers under the banner of revolt marched from Meerut towards Delhi. They captured the city and declared Bahadur Shah Zafar, the old and powerless Mughal emperor, as the leader. The revolt soon spread over large part of northern and central India. The revolt was supported by all sections of society. It was led by different places. At Kanpur, Nana Sahib adopted, son of Bazirao, led the revolt, and Tantia Tope fought very bravely on behalf of Nana Sahib. Kuwar Singh was landlord of Jagdishpur, which led from Bihar. कुंवर सिंह कहाँ से लड़ रहे थे? बिहार से. और नाना साहब कहाँ से थे? आपके तांत्या तोपे कहाँ से थे? आपके बेगम हजरत महल, अवध, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी. एंड ड्यूरिंग द रिवोल्ट शी फॉट वेरी ब्रेवली एंड सैक्रिफाइस हर लाइफ. उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को भी सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया था व्हाइल शी वाज फाइट. ठीक है. नाउ रिवोल्ट ऑफ 87 फेल, क्योंकि जो ब्रिटिश आर्मी थी इट was far superior to Indian soldiers. It was not properly planned and organized. There was no definite aim of victories. Many Indian princes had the British in the revolt. Rani Lakshmibai was killed and Nana Sahib Bahadur Shah was captured and exiled to Burma. Burma भेज दिया गया था and he died later. His two sons were killed, bringing at the end of mighty Mughal Empire. Then the consequences of revolt. What were its consequences? Consequences क्या थे? The rule of East India Company came to end and India became under the direct control of British. India was now ruled by the representative of Queen Victoria. And what they assumed the office of Governor General or Viceroy. Lord Canning कौन थे? आपके first Viceroy थे under the crown. Revolt of 1857 did not succeed in freeing India from the British control, but its foundation a joint resistance by Indian independence. The determination of Indians later freed India from shackles of British. Right? Now, chapter has been completed. In this chapter, we have studied about the many foreign traders that came to India like Patil, Zaida Chai, Britishers, and how they fought. Now, let's start with the exercise of the chapter. Take the correct option. European traders started coming to India in 16th century, 15th century, or 14th century. The revolt was started at Meerut, Bengal and Delhi, Meerut. Battle of Plassey कब हुआ था आपका? 1757. ठीक है. Which revolt is called First War of Independence? आपका revolt of 1857. Who declared a powerless Mughal? आपका बहादुर शाह. ठीक है. Here you have to write the name like तांत्या तोपे, ठीक है, बहादुर शाह, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ठीक है, और आपकी कौन है? मंगल पांडे. Now fill in the blanks. Dash was the first European to reach India. The कौन थे? Portuguese. Now second is the Battle of Plassey was fought between East India Company Now the Indian soldiers were ill-treated by the Britishers. Dash led the revolt in Awadh on the Begum Hazrat Mahal. Mangal Pandey was hanged on, कब hanged हुए थे? 23rd March. Now write T for 2 and F for first state. The British did not allow Indians to get higher posts in army. It's true. The revolt of 1857 started from Delhi and Bengal Falls. Now third is Indians declared Bahadur Shah Zafar as their leader. It's true. Now the Tantia Tope fought on behalf of Nana Sahib. It's true. Then the revolt was created a sense of nations among the Indians. It's true. Next we have match the following. Now Vasco da Gama कब आए थे? 1498 में आए थे. बैटल ऑफ प्लासी कब हुआ था? 1757 में. सिपाही म्यूटनी 1857 में. एंड 18 कुंवर सिंह रिवोल्ट इन बिहार 1857 Whitefield because it was army was weak. Now write a sentence for each of the following. आपको subsidiary alliance और doctrine of lapse only you have to write one sentence. Then write about how Britishers came to India and how they overrule, and write about the 4 freedom fighters. जो freedom fighters ने part है, नाना साहेब, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, ऐसा आप different स्थान को ऐसा आप नहीं लिख सकते. Now answer the following question. Why did the Portuguese came to India? Why they came to India? They came to India. ठीक है, to trade. ठीक है, trade करना है. When did the Battle of Plassey take place? कब हुआ था? 1757 में. What was policy of subsidiary alliance and what is doctrine of alliance? ठीक है, कि आप क्या करोगे कि जब आपको वही नीड पड़ेगी, जब वार होगा तो हम आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, लेकिन रोड ऐसा नहीं. How did the revolt of 1857 begin? आपको ब्रीफ में बताया है कि जो कार्डिनल्स थी वो काउ और पिग के मीट से बने थे, उनको माउथ शो करने की, which was against their religious sentiment. That's why revolt began in 18. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.